Hi, audience. I'm a psychiatrist, and I'm not commenting on any current popular videos specifically at all. Nope, not going to do it. However, I am going to educate my viewers about a psychiatric cluster of diagnoses called personality disorders. What is a personality disorder? You may have heard of narcissistic personality disorder or borderline personality disorder, and these are names of personality disorders, but when you break it down into what the actual impairments are, the impairments are in domains of identity, self-direction, empathy, and intimacy. And what this means is you can have different levels of impairment across those 4 different domains. Self-direction impairment may mean that for severely impaired individuals, they don't really have a coherent narrative for why they're doing things. Deficiencies in intimacy functioning may mean, or deficits, that you have an inability to conceptualize relationships as truly reciprocal, and interpersonal relationships, especially intimate ones, only exist in the cases of extreme impairment to address pain and suffering and soothe it when you're hurting, or inflict pain on others, and that would be an example of extreme intimacy impairment. Identity impairment, well, that's the sort of thing that means I don't know who I am, and maybe not at all or ever, or you have a fixed or permanently distorted sense of who you are. And if you have a profound impairment in empathy, you may be completely unable to identify the accurate enough thoughts and feelings of other people, or even have any doubt as to what they're having go on in their minds. And so for profoundly personality disordered individuals, severe impairments across these domains is common, and sometimes it can be even extreme to the point of persistent, distorted understandings of the world. So it's not just that people can have depression, anxiety, schizophrenia, bipolar disorder. You can have severe or even extreme impairments in how your personality functions that leads to profound impairments in how you go through the world and interact with others. Got it?